Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, me and the son are going to play around with the big block a little bit. So the engine and transmission, that's going to go into this truck here. We're going to go play with that a little bit today. See if we can't get that engine to start and make sure that it does turn over. Just because I haven't done it since we had it. So I want to make sure that that is a functioning engine. I was told it was built up very well, and it's supposedly a monster of an engine. So let's go in here and check this out. So the starter to replace the old one here doesn't quite line up, so what we're gonna have to do is just change this plate off of this one. Just a simple swap, and then that'll fit right up. So we've got the Heedman headers here for the big block.
Okay, that doesn't just come off.
Gaskets.
Don't want me to replace it.
Weld ups for the next set. These up. Good for that. So here we have the new headers and gasket. And just like that, there they are. Now we're just getting everything hooked back up. Got the plug wires back in. These are just temporary because we'll have to get the shorter boot ones. Got the oil pressure line routed in there. He's working on getting the starter hooked up. We have our ground. We'll hook that up after he's done, and then we'll be able to fire this up. Try it again, see what it does. So there you go. She runs. So now the next step will be to get we need to get a better carburetor because this one is not feeding enough. We just put it on there just to fire it to see if it would start. We do need to get a radiator still for the truck and a couple other odds and ends. Headers definitely loud, sound great. That'll give us a good starting point for building the exhaust. We'll run it back, X-pipe it, and then come out somewhere back beyond. So once again, James, thanks for hooking this all up. And if you guys like the video, definitely give it a like, thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and don't miss out on future videos, especially when we put this back into that step side. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.